Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. This brand new 2021 Street Glide is ready to go home. So this build was a little bit different. Customer insisted on PRV. So we have 25 millimeter horns in the mirror holes, PRV carbon 6.5s in the fairing, 2 sound digital 800.4s, DSR1 DSP all in the fairing, and we also have the PRV carbon 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the bags. No lid speakers. This thing sounds great. 4-speaker bike, sounds amazing, excellent mid-bass, and it's really loud. Factory GTS radio's been flashed. We activated CarPlay and Android Auto. It's good to go. Customer had an Evo 804 that he wanted to reuse. So if it was the Evo X's, we'd be able to mount 2 here. So we're only mount 1. Saul did a great job of routing the cables. Everything's nice and clean. DSP's here. The other 800 is neatly tucked right there. So we have Evo X 800.4 on the side of the pod, DSR1 DSP, T-harness, and 800.4 Evo. This one's bridged to the mid-bass drivers in the bags. This one's bridged to the front speakers. PRV carbons.